Hi guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to AI Pen. Today we'll be going over the email generator bot in the communication section. So last video we went over the chat bot, and now we'll be going over the email generator and how it works, what it is. So the email generator, it's basically an AI bot that goes and generates email for you. So instead of you sitting there and writing the email by yourself and typing up everything, you just have an AI that does it for you. You just have to explain to it what you have to do, who you're writing it to, if you want to add anything special within the email, if you're having problems with your email or writing your email, if you're having problem like converting it from like a business type email to like a casual, like AI can do whatever you want. So for example, I say, please write an email to a coffee shop company and the email states that we are trying to use their building for shooting some video content. Please make it professional, outgoing, and the mood good so they can accept it and they like us as well. Please also add our company name, ABC Corporations. Now you send it. Dear coffee shop manager's name, I hope this message finds you well. My name is your name, and I'm reaching out on behalf of ABC Corporation. We're working on an exciting video project, really unique atmosphere. If you're open to discussing this up here. So as you can see, it went and it wrote down this whole email based on this little prompt that I just put. So this is what this email generator does. So now I can even add on to this even more. So for example, I could say, please add some extra prompts. No, not prompts. Please add some extra details in this email about how we love your coffee shop and how we saw your coffee shop through social media, and talk about how we found out about them so they can go and like us even more, or they could go and approve of us filming at their store even more, and the AI will tailor towards that and put it over there. So this is what this AI does. It goes and creates emails. If you have problems with emails or don't know how to write an email or having trouble with it, come to this AI. Thank you for this demonstration. I hope to see you guys next time.